Abronye ni koka no omu de nanka omu duru ho ananka omu di nkotodwe agu fam na saa enhyehyɛwe ye na esi omu ahyehyɛ na Abronye se wono de so obekọ akokoto ona boka nimpa de enye enya de obekọ na eno na omu ne Abronye eka ho asem enti nana 152 no ofise sa Abronye pene a enu betumi afa
yo medase dedi kan say enu ankasa na is dead on arrival. If you say nipa na we born no kra no we reluctant to go and beg.
Yes.
That way they move fan ya kan so tio. Chenka ya akomam na opere so ye we de mampa kan de mafom no tie papa o de aya me nyina afom no eti mekwa say no kra makan or soften kakra. Na wo ta pechepe yo beti say wo de wo kan de onkoto ne dade a eno ano no na de ni the searchlight they took cancel. When in pass here, every move, Ghana, every move, after your market, a foot on a mituno. And never be wise, so I get to know. A party on your head, a party in your seminar.
Okay.
Akufo Addo, woman coca, neck or woman, top down, woman coca. Justin Kodia, when the party is the chief executive, Onkoka. In some form, identity as after your mark and get to know. Even can win in the constituency crowd, or more accusing the say, one no poor can move with the entity, half a year day. Get a candidate, the only what time and says, I want him to be penas and sort to man. It will be to man. In the constituency as tomorrow, as any power on the otchere, half a day baby. So, Obofon himself, dear, I do it. Commercial or who ye? Cobel, no, who ye? I feel a little do sorrow. Sakamuya be a come, and will lose a year. Can one Casemio? Asemio. And Amuya, must set the agenda, and I ye was so if he didn't a year, but won't fight. And then Makoya boy anyway. And I don't know. So it is said here, sir,
152 no capital tatis.
Woman castle crana. Just a can na come any hole. Since I the human will be. And yes, I from 2027. Echo latter part no and can be a in a pre. Say I chrono papa. That's the invitation, mamma, whenever I don't wear papa. And you come for an idea be a bit for NPP for the tsunami. Yes. All right, I finally know again. I'll be coming Konya so now. Yamfa will see. And the American say NPP for one day after 1 day after baby a woman to me. We the one was she said Debbie MPP power on the who's in the PCA power. Now pay woman brand telling my power no yan on the TV radio so editing penny for no. And the idea the film penny for acquire him for so I call so for so up back cancel. Aye ye. Omuncha so no mun answer. And Ato Forson woman by any na NPP there say the omonyene by 2040 on baby no me prekunya no mo Bawumia tie ene wono mo tie ni musa tie so mo generation on koya eya dia NPP beba power.
All right,
you
Nana opoku agyeman nana yebeda wasepa ne wano kasa mse wachechere nsemu yie ama omo ehwe no emu adaho omubehunu baby a onabo Boakye Agyapong ifiri a obaye na allegation amanfo ye se party ni mu no obenya asika no party ni mu na eboa no party ni na ma nya asika no say wa clear ama bibia emu adaho yeda sepa nana eda foforo yebesan afro na yaje wadwenkyere yo. All right. Enti yanko nana poku
ya oba
nana unia akasa
Matiripa Nadumudo.
Na chese opoku for no de adwene no abo
Onye continue keke.
Yes.
Omumra no say not opoku for de ya na tell me sapa no.
Yes. Onse nana ya wuta aka se yewura Kennedy Agyapong o started say obua NPP no enye nne em say wuta aka sa asem we onse nana poku so e di atoso
eno krefa anti asem na oka no na mani agi because emra oni ayi Agyapong ayi the chama Agyapong no one time you for me confusing kaka the Akoto for national family
yo chama Agyapong na free mo na nte Boakye Agyarko na wo no
Boakye Agyarko okay good na me fa do free me crazy oni the contest for chairmanship ayi o me sati ayi danko buja ayi club oyi our US they started long time before NPP grano ebe ombe from NPP 92 I started danko buja club no started 1991 NPP kan akwa bi na oto to me TV nso no o ka se gu en some any say ye take part na o ba mu o for minya na to ha na my ila post roba was abufu
but nana sa video na ye boy ya enipa no kasa no se presenter no so ka se han yakọ chinchin enuma no so eni ade se ye hu fio se bibisa ade na ya na enipa hyeda se o twantro nti onabo kan Japan enye no kure se o steel factory ana enye no kure se o close to ana enye no kure se wa rubber company bi plastic omuya plastic ni ade enye no kure
just offer me jono wa so no hene kasano continue kasano ma tina mi tips opanyi onim se opa na me say kusibu afo na se bagre me makọ re ti akwai opanyi ni hwan opanyi won party mpanfo boy na dawo aya ne hwene ukaka na me nkofo bo gara say ye se me titiparo ti din comfortable na uka asem ya yewe efa Kennedy Agyapong o pese na e ka kire wo atembu amantin staff action was here for the word go efa nipa 900 at the start asana Addo was in crab kan ho entu atembu amantin na dey omu time no say 900 but we yet rough calculation ekua follow body ni man nyeba kan e about 1000
yes
enti ultimate TV so sesitan tanya mfaso bi nso won go gold bus chere we ko say mako research 10 years ago aduma bi ani hono na akodo no otesa ayi go already Yakupon of a minimity in some friend akwa na have to use that word to him because one show respect to Kennedy Agyapong me also onya akani etimichi no na e honte so say Abronye kasa me hu atimo ka atim ni kasa be hu ani akwa ni kasa hu say infantini kasa be hu be bi orefa asante ni su kasa be hu banasa de kina no ka no na honte enti won say yesi usunyon ko otam ani bra e wo mu fa ka o say ye tie party we no ba join ye na me fa no bon nti onim ta Kennedy Agyapong ba party no hwe ko asen central asen na Kennedy Agyapong yi na man no or contest for on the ticket of NPP minimum din body briefing din na Kennedy Agyapong sponsor no o man pickups ni scout yi Kennedy Agyapong be MP no and asina me chiri because no na dream ni sa ni mari na so enti man ka say ya the uncontested bin can cause me na me kokro me head and team anya up and down enti me contest me so ko abetuma we ne people know you and mo hu mo ya boa ne enti betuma we ne and Kennedy Agyapong the first time bam okonaso no win here so because that seat na NDC 4 seat
yes
so and on the win here already consistently no what ma I win for 6 times we this like okaso boko bi mu a obesa win na obi kasa President Akufo man contractor of another person me chiro President Akufo ebe ya from 2000 and no 1996 eba no about 2000 our friends Kennedy sponsor party no programs be we be sponsor contest be could be sponsor no yi into Mexico heavy amount the campaign ade the party back one no qualify by MP or parliament the first time no President Akufo Addo can a year then he gave him juicy contract. Father, I must be honest. I'm on contracts. Now, some of a contract, no. And I could be because in fact contract, a young fool. Government contract, in fact, a young fool. What kind of work? Because Mama, President Mama, was saying, offer contract, and the will be only sick out to me. So, yeah, contract, I'm a truck pusher, so I see a food soldier. That contract, a man. There of it is stubborn because contract, a more sicker and count. With knowledge, with him, dear. And no company I bet my and our friends say resource award betrayal any of the more. And the Kennedy Agyapong contract when you're Diano because of the Owusu continue. Ultimate year, be a man 6 months, ultimate before 6 months. No certificate in go out in Sika. Now, about middle of 2000, most of the MPs need now pay 1 year contract, but some of them were lazy and poor. It won't mean you know, no contract Kennedy Agyapong. Because of the colleagues, anyone more parliament, you know, where they come more, or one in the Sika sponsor, some bit where we said the Sika every law continue. You go here, but we penal certificate, you got your Sika, now the Sika Reno. They be not another them say, abandon what a MP, no more contract a crack. If you 300,000, I said 300,000, I said 30 million Ghana cedis contract. Oh, we know, when you be India, the constituency of a party, no, and people to my hold positions, no. I say, a part of my conscience. You always say that in the bar, I'm the bar, no, brought my yourself, so long, almost and make anymore, baby, or move on. So people talk say, contract here, and then an idea. Nancy, I'm more cotton to say, you can, Mammy, not to see. Okay, was you being more empty when you won't cry or friends say, you are not bored so class at that's what a board say. As one of Piamuka, a boa, Asante Bediatuo. Sata won't mean to know, or such a man suppose one Mukasa go, you know, one way far. Well, those 47 your friends say MP so much, no, where were they then? But I want to feel a sing ever boa, Confanotti teaching hospital, I'm going to be done now. So, no, or 2 for yes, or yeah, I hospital, you know, can Capone, a boys, support, you know, MPs, you know. Include Mutakano more. What did they do? Where were they? Obedient me, and to move to be Casacan Japan, and when she, when your contract when yes, can or a board man, or probably a butcher. And so more Munya, Sikawa Bermois, or a Bimla Coto Dama or Montpran for UK, a bit about down or Holland, a bit about down or Europe, no way, can you find them a down? A darko of a talker down or Ghana, Ubimania, baby. Say nani Dabia, what autonomous cantonment we buy, a whole Mikosi.
Yes.
My 3-bedroom apartment now, me dinner for Mejidumo, echo this everywhere. So, and for a sober person will be because super person money. Of Antino, sometimes will be cassette man, it's me to one which is a dinner diomo. Into a henny castle or say, Ocean or town, only free. For attaching and call on Quan, Uncle Ghana, ye bunty, attaching so only lawyer, no we. In talk consequences, non comparable. So, one particular Japanese as economists were the best. He was the best in the class. What did what I facing? Then now we turn around. Can't somewhere in here. So, such a man, some bullshit. Can Japan and most Swami, school OCA, almost 200 million Ghana cedis. Now, this year. And what time of Bawumia, the contribution or part of the contribution on him. I get my point because sometimes you know, we need to face facts. You need to face facts. So because of our said or by a president, what this even from Kwame Nkrumah but you want to know, no must hear Yamanema. It's the great ample musician, not some kind a baby on. So some could tell you now more when about me to me really, but more or Mukotra position when you and Jessica Mobian. You go can Japan by a president, says can move your budget in your back. You have said it and you will do it. So, not over. The general who say, I cannot see or Mutona, the road, as one of the dandy, the various research by the road, the research that way. Most of Untimi workers in Yana, I am for or me more as FM. And answers of mine, what you or Munya, you may do club every year. That's a breath or the book, no, the Kennedy Agyapong and Chinantum. 90,000 Ghana cedis. E do mo nyina san ko fon ye na o mo nya be gun timonti ani branya ho ye wo mo fam ti no e mo ko chono mo kasa nti mo no de research na wo go ye ya wo sikana Japan de at least nanu ya bisa ejuma factory bi otono tema
yeah
man India ni bi o ye water bottle answer bottle water bottle
plastic yes
water and significant na for ejuma about 400 or 500 Ghanaians no me ejuma hono so ko o he mu no na about 360 omunya Ghana for kwandi dodo so from the northern region omunya guashama omunya ejuma hono and sana take away goals no omuye no omude duane ku wo yi ate ne ma no eno so on factory hono et wo nyina ni ho adado no etimi ti so makọ ero se mu hey adi asem ni even size factory ko munya bi ekura no look at how big it is never any payment ma form say the coast of na gu edidi e no opa say omo national anthem a omo e kan no fire saka the same thing say the human of fire so miss so koto pure water is no pure water you see the pure water no say two sa ira sa no bi enyum so wanti na county hina so kan no so yonko a otan no sa beti because na ka omo hunu na combination no mo hu say Ken Japan oba young guy on say that no Afro town room say na you go or court say the vibes no hono
yes
because the guy became millionaire before he joined the party and maybe as man as witness and say here Benkura obo here be
the first house automa ne ma me no
dude $47,000 that ne
execution
a bro sample atrasa
na wo chema opekasa
na kasa na wan enkasa
senya kasa bia na yeka papa die me no kasa almost one nyanke abechichi nyina ko
na ntibre bia atwam no nipa bia na eka nsema ya pa ati akoma ne ade no nti kwan se ne ade o mo fa so see Ali I agree say yes kasa obetimi akasa ma na tra ti akasa ma na drube. But in politics, political communication, so the nipa no asem de obeka e betia anya odem ko ana ode be ya adwuma dia ene na wa asem bonepo metia ubie phone na ubenya nipa wo ka say wo frɛ nipa du a obi a no be
support
gabby obi be ka asem bi kra
100% kra na onye na
obi betumi aka asem e ya pa ebufu pa ba no nche say me free high asem coach ni kope no na me de aba akobo ntiri no enti because all ya ban na tumi ni ade nyina akuta unti no every single thing bibia obi be ka a enya ode na would ento wasum no ese coach ni kope na kodi akiri ade but we see we make heroes out of these things. Martyrs. So are you? Yes, we are. So you're Roman.
I'm a Methodist.
Methodist. Martyrs of Uganda. Dear. Now, just Kojo Kyeremanteng me make crab for the Kwanoma. What I say? They are making heroes of nobody. Now, me chairman ya okana semi. Na say crime tia na medically na say okorre na pum de ni. All these things come to play. Dear ne obi nka na o mayi mu enkyere o mampani bi. Na no me ma mrantie me nsa bi so mo nya adwuma ma me so omu hwehwe Fourth Republican Ghana. The late President Rawlings. President Akufo omumienu omunhwe ma me hwa pa na edi na tempa wo politics ana hwa pa na edi na tempa
ateni ni gu ahodo
omuwia
de wa ateni ni atwetwe
fani nyina bom
ene ka ta besia
na wia na wa page President Akufo Addo, former president, and the late president Ato hwa pa na atwa na da pa wo me we are now president, the former president Akufo Addo na mu was had na pay and next president Mahama no one pa na atwa da pa wo me
obi agene de
we are now the certain president President Mahama was had na pay the incoming president Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia
baba
Oba.
Okay.
Sena no unity. Umi nwa pa na etwa na da pa wo me. We are no aka ni nyina abu. Afi wa fine. Nwa pa president be pa na etwa na da pa wo me.
You wish me ano de.
What you say? Eh.
Now we nwa pa na etwa abo no.
Enko me ma ni go so.
Ngo ka se wa dwen yanko.
Da bi na say we me metimi.
Research.
Me am man kwala no. To mu go so.
Jack, honorable Kokofu enzema okay. What you say? Abronye arrest is beyond political intimidation, and I say political intimidation. But from your assessment and your view, how can you draw the line between lawful accountability, say the Mraye Juma, and political prosecution, say as a politician, and a yechi Abronye? What you know saying?
Minia, Mamintia, etiefo nyina, ene wahefo nyina. Yera Kokofu nsema wa efa baby menene be ya adwen efa baby nso so menene ya adwen a enye. In terms of approach aban ebaaye yemfa nse national security no ekwan omofa so e de chi amanfo de obetimi aka say yes enye ekwan pa so esan se so obi mpo aye bibi na opese wo chi na obetimi aman invite fefe na nko no ankasa aba honom. But to the extent say eto da bia style na omofa so omofa ebia soldiers fo bi omohyehyehye ntade bi ne bi ombeko nipa ne fie na omakwakọ che no na oma na omasese nyoma e wo ho no mansa na omde na ba police fo aso ene de beka se sa intimidation ne de me ne Yera Kokofu ya adwen se e too much. But in terms of nyoma nso so a amanfo bi nso so kan okrom ha ne de untimi nka se onfra omo emu se omo question 1 2 bi cause wo hwe obi ti se jeja onye di paketu asa metimi aka se e wo krom ha ana oman we mu no judge for ena so you be every honor kra na se oman ni ho kra asem to a obetimi akwakoda no cause police ni to kra wetimi akra wa 48 hours but say judge die eya den ya police ni betimi aka se monko court a judge ya ena ebehwe aka asem no enti se odi nanim twitwi form dia na meka se eno die o the political intimidations ni ade bemu a enye
nti na che se osusu se chi ayachi Abronye no eyemra kwa so ne yachi no
ne kwa so ano no esan se menya sure se Abronye nko ani nipa wokasa e wo krom ha ye sorry anopa ebepema numre ye wo traditional media social media amanfo akasa ne no ye ka se ye kan ye ntimi nkan but edi enti ene ebia kwa kwachi nipa ba ko bi afrim na che se nipa no ebia wokasa e ma ne tra edru baabi enti ni akwa kwachi no etimi de kakra meka ne se esese as much as se ye wo akonya se ye kasa e wo social media traditional media na baabi a obe hu se wo bia no esese wo hwe wano kasa nso so yie kakra esan se kotra baabi esese edru a dia emra ba ko mienu bi okrom ha se a ebetima ato ne nsa afrew na mbom ekwan no nso so ampanifo befa so afre nipa no ene esese eye civil ana se nam kwan a emfa achinide ana se kasakasa bi emma omanim.
All right, now all instances about say President Kufo eba emphasis JJ Rawlings President Kufo comparison no mama maya ye TB to the extent say even Owusu that Lumba no more Kenya say they endured verbal attacks say ni nyina wo mkra no ma nkasa ntite bibia na say uchi nipa ne dia na ne oman ye hu ba bia eko. Do you think say there is a selective prosecution say sa no mano selective medical busa mo achiri kakra by using those people as an example no do you think say provable say there is a selective prosecution and a law na ye adwuma
kakra meka ne say so ka say past government and say aban bi atwetwa mu no omo amanfo kaseti amanfo na omanchi obi ade a menene nya adwen because oha amanfo bi ti say muntie tresi yeti omo apia stadium say say ba chi ni free Kumasi ye de to car boot ene koko pie mu akra but the okam menene be ya adwen ho ene say in terms of numbers ne de na ye kakra bi esan say amanfo nso so kan sempa during another danko Akufo Addo time asen ko ye na adwen say wo chi amanfo de a ene ne nka krom ha de me sure senka amanfo bia na den no mo opposition ko be chi omo nyina It is our case be past government, Omanchi will be an as a BBC idea, men but in terms of say, or more endure the end, Melbourne NPP for Abbas officers at time, or more endure pa artist. Nyama be pre no mubu or many go so, as compared to a near air coso. In terms of so a selective justice be and air coso dear. Osha or more yet or money they are fine, because I come here say NPP for do na yet you Inti ubet me aka say selective justice be air coso. But untimi so nka say nipa no so aka asem bi na say etwam wo send ye Ghana mraneti a omonto omonsa enfre no.
Mo say it is a free speech. Say you can free speech obi atimi kana adwen democracy. And Osha said Akufo Addo dey bo Abronye even from beginning a no now omo say incite the public and causing breach of peace. In your assessment, where exactly should Ghana draw the line between free speech and a criminal liability, as in Senipano Awaye Boni?
In terms of say, Omoka say a free speech in India, yes, Ubia ho akonya say or can your person work be to say the BD can kayen. Nemum, ebe ende wabra also so waka simbia manatra, say what defame will be. Ekobasa no nko ade a nipa no so wo ho akonya se odi kuku piem e wo court na asem na wo kan no ye hwehwem ahwe se engu ne ho fi a se hwehwem na se engu ne ho fi a obetimi akọ free but se hwehwem na se ebia ba bi track akra nko ade a ese se mra no etibi ni wudi se ba se ye draw line de ebe ye dene pa esan se ene ye system ye we ukọ judiciary amanfo bi susu se omo ye affiliated to certain party sa ban bi ewo say party bi wa ban mu a sa nso na politicians no so omo an appoint omo edo omo to institution ya no they say okoba bi to say yoko ya remo acha wo ya and this wo opposition no so to opposition ene on the kura post no enti say ba say wo draw line pa ne de ebe ye dene pa but me de kakra metimi aka ne say constitution and answer emrana e govern oman no na say bia ye betimi aye hu bibi say ne be ya ye be hu ba bia o kasa kokudura ye kan say we dey atra and answer o kasa kokudura we dey wakasa wo kwan pa so
constitution ne dey e wo hodeda false information is an omani nyina e wo hodeda
ni nyina wo hodada but enemy tie mpanifo bi ti say kwame committee kese mo ni ade no yes so obi ka tell say wagimi kura na emranim baabia ni hono ma ekire se obi ka se ebi opanye bi agimi a yen criminalize no anase yen fa mra kwan we so
okay
which means emrano as a kwan kakran so de da ho enti in order say bia ebesi pi na se ye be hu se obi aka se enti emrano ne ye adwuma ne de I think say ebia constitution na se bia ombehwe na so omayi mra bia free ma na so omudi ba be shim na be menasi pia omubeye but se koba se wuji ama politicians ne dia we be ka se wa bra na we mu wo ho no sei na ode ye me yesu be ka se yesu wa ban mu no ode sei na ye me e na se nipa no so man position no be try institution bia no a ebia no ono kra no wo sa mbre na no wo position mu ye bibitia na e hye ni mu ti ode mra no e be se ne nchen ne nsem regardless of say ebia ye free speech kra na wo kan.
Finally we conclude no repeated arrest. Share and previous government, especially in another Akufo Addo time, and we can say another time Captain Smart or Mochina, any other personnel be or more chichi or more. This era so you see a chink of four. You share a repeated arrest of opposition figures. How dangerous will it cause in the near future in terms of freedom of expression and political participation? So we didn't know share politics mu. Net this repeated arrest way back. No opposition friends and figures ni be. How dangerous it is. And you can't impact and controversies about Abronye the year. How do you relate how dangerous it is? Now I'll finalize it.
In terms of the danger the science no clear. It's answer. Se koma se eto aso say ya ebema democracy na ye practice no ebe de ne kakra esan se ye say ye kabi ma men kabi enti se ko ba se aban bi ba power na omo opposition kwa na ye chi wo mo a se ko ba se aban no kra edi bone anaso wo ye bibia emmoa o man Ghana ebe de ne se obi owo opposition be na adwen se obi na no akasa esan se so nim se okobi na no pe ye be chi no atum anase security agencies no ebe na ayaka de enti danger de ene de metima ka se eposi bi pa esan se wa mani pa no so ankasa no wakana no tuma eno so to create me ko frefre ku ene nyoma nyina edeba but in as much as say nipa nso so wo ho akonya se ye kasa no esese nipa nso so hwe na no kasa yi se ne ebe ya ye behu ba bia se ye kasa du enye saa nso so na se wo gyaa mu na obie mu saa nso so a nipa be kasa atra to the stand say wan hwe o mampanyin kra na nipa de AI akọrọrọ no ho na nakedness da ho na o ka ne ofe ope efa na japade ho enti with regards to Abronye de nso say in terms of say ebia ebema amanfo gidi a omo institutions makofo no metima ka se efa baabi no so nokre ejan se amanfo bi hu ne sesesi no se onka NDC aban ho anase wuni aban mu a regardless of the work can be ana the wuye bia no enya de se omo be edi neutrality ene behwe na emo omo hwe se work can be ma aban no ansa na omama wo akwanya ama nyoma bi a opese wo ka no waka eho no metima ka se mene empanifo ebe ya adwen se so ma anhwe ni ya ebe ma gidi a amanfo ewo ye institutions me wo Ghana ha no akofom kakra.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.